Hey everyone, it's Umair here, also known as Java the Professor. So in today's video, we're going to be learning the subtraction operator. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys. So first of all, what is the subtraction operator used in Java? Well, basically the subtraction operator is just like the subtraction operator like we use in math in real life, but it's in Java. Alright guys. So now let's start programming the code. So now, first of all, we're gonna write int a is equals 5. Then we can write int b is equals to 10. Also, I forgot to mention that I'm gonna be making a video. That I'm gonna be like teaching you guys the the direct way and the indirect way, like to print the result, the sum, not the sum, the subtraction result. Alright guys, so for example, we can do 15 minus 10, then system.out.println. Alright, now let's end it with a semicolon. Now here we're gonna type the result is plus, we can say like the result is plus, and then inside of the parentheses we're gonna write a minus b. Now, just like I taught you guys in my previous video of the addition operator, so just like that, the same rule applies to the subtraction, the multiplication, and division and division operator. So basically the result is like 15 minus 10. So if we don't add it, alright, so let's just do it like this, and as you can see, it's gonna give us an error. The operator minus is undefined for the argument. So that's why we're gonna do it inside of the parentheses. The result is plus a minus b. Now this is basically the indirect way, the first way, and then I'm gonna show you the direct way, which we applied in my previous video of the addition operator. So the result is 5, because 15 minus 10 is definitely 5, right? Alright, now let's proceed to our second strategy or step. So basically the second one, which is the direct way, is basically the same thing, but instead of the int a and stuff, we basically gotta print the result by ourselves directly inside of the parentheses of system.out.println. So basically what I mean by that is the result is, and then we basically separate it by a colon, and then the result is plus the same thing, but 7 minus 5. But look, it gave us an error. Why? Because it gets confused. The operator is minus is undefined for the argument type as string. So look, when I'm gonna run it, it's gonna give us the same error that we just read on top of the red, the red highlighted thing. Alright, so this basically means that it's gonna give us an error. So to fix that error, we basically have to put the condition or the statement inside of the parentheses. Alright, so once we run this code, I just save it, Control S, and then let's run it. And as you can see, it gave us the result 7 minus 5. The result is 2. And so the result is 2. It's look, but here it's fully it's squished together or stick together. So we have to add a space for that, right? The result is, maybe if we add this space like this, then it's gonna give us, as you can see, the result is plus and then 2. So now it's correct, because before it was looking kind of weird, the result. So let me just scroll it up, and look, as you can see, it gave us the result 2. So you can like like or for example, like you can put 10 minus 10, or we can also do the same thing with negative numbers. So negative 5 minus 5, or like that, and the result is negative 10. So yeah, so we can do it either with positive numbers or negative numbers. So yeah, it's our choice. So let me just apply the previous result. 7 plus 5, run the code. 7 minus 5, and as you can see, it's gonna give us the result. Wait a minute, let's run it again. 2. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. So I hope you like this Java tutorial of the result is of the subtraction operator. So yeah, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe to get notified of my if I upload any videos. So yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.